I wanted to add color to my house. So I portioned out 3 sections of this little wall next to my front door, and I painted them a light green, a middle green, and a darker green. Outside on my back deck, I installed a privacy screen on my pergola so that I don't have to look at my neighbors and they don't have to look at me. In the bathroom, I installed a new mirror. And in our other bathroom, I finally installed a light so that we can actually see what we're doing when we're in the shower. The bathroom is still under construction. I put new carpet on a cat tower that I had built years ago, and finally purchased a goatskin rug that I drape over my chair. The backyard is severely overgrown and needs maintenance. In the hallway, I painted our ceiling a blue-green. And in the backyard between me and my bad neighbors, I built a 10-foot wall so I don't have to look at them and they don't have to stare at me. I'm hoping that eventually the passion flower next to the wall will weave its way through. A new ceiling fan I installed in our bedroom that needs work. And chairs that Allison picked up for free. They're teak, they're beautiful, they just have a horrible fabric on them and she plans on redoing them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Bye.